Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at a copy of Pokemon Yellow that actually doesn't work at all. So I'll show you the error it's giving and we're going to try to repair it. So this is just a standard copy. This is that Game Boy I've been working on. And if we power it on, you'll see that it goes to the Nintendo screen and then it kind of glitches out. So this is kind of as far as we're going to get. So the Nintendo screen's kind of all glitchy, right? I'm just gonna try it with a copy of Pokemon Blue. We put that in and power it on. We'll see that it powers on perfectly fine. So there you go. It's gonna give everything. So there we go. Pokemon Blue works fine. I'll show it one more time. Pokemon Yellow. Nintendo screen with nothing. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take this apart. We're gonna open it up and see what exactly is going on with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to open it up to see if there's like anything physically off with it. I don't know. I got this screwdriver for it, but they don't seem like they are the right size, to be honest with you. Well, that's this one. Ah, here we go. So that's the inside of the PCB. First I'm going to try cleaning these up, and I think this is the chip I need to resolder. And by resoldering, all I mean is like I'm going to heat it up. I'm just going to touch each side with flux and see if that works. So we're going to do those first. So while my soldering iron is heating up, I'm just going to take some rubbing alcohol on a Q-tip and give these pins a little wipe. I do have a bunch of other Game Boy and Game Boy Color games that are giving the same issue, and I know it's not the Game Boy because I recently tried it on a Game Boy Pocket and the Game Boy Color, and neither seemed to work. But I mean, it doesn't look like there's anything off with the PCB at all. As far as I can see, it looks perfectly fine. So like I said, I'm just going to give it a little bit of flux. We're just going to touch up these points. So I believe each one of these chips is differently. So I believe this one's ROM, memory, and I forget what this one's for. I'll leave a link. I kind of was browsing around and I saw this as a potential solution, so you know, it doesn't hurt to give it a shot. Let's just go for it. So essentially, the way you know it's kind of working is I'm gonna see if I can get it, but essentially the joints kind of come out looking a little shiny. So that's usually how you can get it. You can know if you're doing it correctly. I'm just gonna do the other side. If anyone's wondering, I'm just using some, I believe it's called Kingbo Flux. I don't know, it's kind of the one I had, and my soldering station set to 750 Celsius, which is kind of the temperature I like when I'm working on my electronics. Sometimes I go a little bit higher. And yeah, that's kind of both sides. I'm just gonna give it a quick wipe down, put it back in, and hopefully it's as simple as that to fix this. There are these 4 little notches that line up in there. So the way to close it and open it is you put it in and you slide it. And as you see, we're good on all sides. I'm not gonna screw it, I'm just gonna put it back in and let's hope it works. Yes! So that's all it took to fix this one. And I should have my save data from the olden ages. So just so anyone knows, Pokemon Yellow and Blue were the first Pokemon games I've ever had. So I'm talking like I was like 5 or 6. So yeah, it looks like it lost my save data, but that's fine.